The Audi A6 Avant e-tron concept exterior model that is making its debut in March 2022 is no more a simple design exercise than the Sportback. On the contrary, its lines and elegant proportions anticipate future Audi production models and offer clues about how dynamic and elegant the electrically powered luxury class from the brand with the four rings will look. With the Audi A6 Avant e-tron concept, we are offering a completely tangible look at future production models on our new PPE technology platform, says Audi Board Member for Technical Development Oliver Hoffmann. We're not just electrifying the Avant's successful 45-year history. What we want most of all is to use technical skill to add an exclamation point. In particular, this includes powerful 800-volt technology, 270 kilowatts of charging capacity, and a WLTP range of up to 700 kilometers, 435 miles. Sporting the A6 emblem, the concept car underscores its place in the brand's business class. This family has represented the brand in one of the world's highest volume segments since 1968, until 1994, as the Audi 100. There have been Avant models in the series since 1977, a revolutionary, very emotionally designed reinterpretation of the station wagon class. With the Avant, whose dynamic lines combine with a high degree of variability, the company literally worked out a new kind of car that has often been copied by the competition. Avant, a term derived from avant-garde and a 1995 Audi ad slogan, is a word that has taken off. Beautiful station wagons are called Avant. For its part, the PPE technology will ensure that what the car's lines imply is translated into a standard of dynamic driving performance and everyday suitability befitting use for long drives. That means that, in the future, an Audi A6 e-tron will gleam with up to 700 kilometers, 435 miles, of range, under the WLTP standard, depending on the drive system and model variant. And the strongest representatives of the series will sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in less than 4 seconds. The values of the Sportback and the Avant only deviate slightly from one another. The Audi A6 Avant's back end, which is as beautiful as it is spacious, is by no means the only thing that qualifies it as the storage champ in a double sense. The drive system and battery technology also justify that title. With its 800-volt system and a charging capacity of up to 270 kilowatts, it can take in enough energy in just 10 minutes at a fast charging station to drive about 300 kilometers, 186 miles.